Good morning, class. This is Devashri Awasthi. The today topic is promoter. Who is promoter? Meaning, promoter consider idea for setting up a particular business at a given place and perform various formalities required for starting a company. A promoter may be an individual, firm, association of person, or a company. After the idea is considered, the promoters make detailed investigation to find out the weakness and strong points of the ideas to determine the amount of capital and to estimate the operating expenses and probable income. According to Justice C. Cockburn, promoter is the one who undertakes to form a company with reference to give a object and to set its going and who takes the necessary step to accomplish that purpose. Function of a promoter to conceive an idea of forming a company, to conduct the necessary negotiation for the purchase of business in case it is intended to purchase as existing business, to collect the requisite number of person, public company and who can sign the MOA and AOA of the company, and also agree to act as the first director of the company, to get the memorandum of association and article of drafted and printed, to make arrangement for the preparation of prospectus. Position of promoter. The company law has not given any legal status to promoter. Promoter is neither an agent nor a trustee of the company because it is a not entity before incorporation. Some legal cases have tried to specify the status of a promoter. He stands in a fiduciary position. The promoter mold and create the company, and under his supervision, it comes into existence. It is a duty of the promoter to get maximum benefit of the company. He should not get secret profit from the company. If he sell his profit to company, then he should explain his interest in such property. Lord Kane has correctly stated the position of the promoter in Erlanger v. New Samberno Buffet Company. The promoter of a company stand undoubtedly in a fiduciary position. They have in their hands the creation and the molding of the company. They have the power of defining how and when and in what shape and under what supervision it shall start into existence and begin to act as trading corporation. Duties of promoter to disclose the secrets of profit, to disclose all material facts, duty to disclose private arrangements. The promoter must make good to the company what he has obtained as a trustee. Duty of promoter against the liability of promoter. First, liability to account in profit. Second, liability at the time of winding up of the company. Third, personal liability. Fourth, liability for misstatement in the prospectus. Thank you.